Friends, do you get stuck when you meet a stranger for the very first time, or you do not know how to start a conversation with that person? If yes, then watch this video till end, because in this video I'm gonna tell you how to start a conversation with any stranger. But before that, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, because this video is gonna be very interesting. So hi everyone, once again welcome back to the 𝗨𝘁𝘁 Academy. This is Amita and it is my 19th day of 75 hard days English challenge. So friends, without wasting any time, let's move towards our today's topic. Guys, whenever we meet a stranger for the very first time, that time first of all we should say, how do you do? What is the meaning of how do you do? Actually, it is an older way of saying hello. Now it has been replaced by hello. So how do you do? And when you will say this, the reply will be how do you do? Like the reply of hello is hello. So the same with how do you do? So friends, when you meet a person for the very first time, you will say how do you do? Okay, and now it has been replaced by hello. Now people say hello instead of how do you do? But there is a little bit difference. When you meet a person for the first time, that time you say how do you do, but you use hello in everyday conversation. But how do you do is used for the very first meeting only. Okay, so if you will say this, then the stranger will also reply how do you do? Like the reply of hello is hello. So the same goes with how do you do? Okay, and after that, if you are meeting that person in the morning, you will wish good morning. If you are meeting in the afternoon, you will say good afternoon. And the person will also reply good afternoon. If you are meeting that person in the evening, that time you will say good evening. Okay, and if you are meeting that person in the night, that time also you will say good evening. And if you are sure that you are not going to meet that person after that, or you will meet that person after a few days or next day, that at the time of part you will say good night. Okay, so after wishing this, do not break your conversation there. After that, ask for the condition of that person. How will you say this? How are you? Just repeat after me. How are you? And friends, I'm sure you have only one answer of this question. I am fine. Guys, in Hindi, when someone asks us, कैसा है भाई? How do you say? बढ़िया हूँ. If your level of happiness is a bit more, that time you will say, अरे बढ़िया हूँ भाई. Do you say like this? So friends, in Hindi, we have different types of words to express our level of happiness, and same goes with English as well. If you are normal, that time you will say I'm good. If your level of happiness is a bit high, you will say I'm great. And if you are too much happy or excited, that time you will say I'm fantastic. For example, if you are normal, that time I'm good. And if it's your friend's birthday and that friend is going to throw a party for you, so that time your level of happiness will be a bit high. That time if someone will ask you, how are you? So you will not say, I'm good. That time you will say, I'm great. So friends, that happiness should reflect on your face. So if someone will ask you, how are you? You will say, I'm good, thank you, and how are you? After that, you will ask for the well-being of other person. Okay? So you will say, I'm good, thank you, and how are you? So the another person will reply to you. Okay, and friends, after that, do not break your conversation here. Ask that how is your life going on? Like in Hindi, after asking for हाल चाल, what do we say? Life कैसी कट रही है भाई? Do we ask this or not? The same goes in English as well. In English, we say, how is your life going on? In Hindi, we say, बढ़िया चल रही है भाई. Do not say it is going good. It is not it is going good or my life is going good. You will simply say it's good. How will you reply? It's good. So if someone will ask you, how is your life going on? You will reply, it's good. And what about you? So friends, the next thing is, when you are about to leave that person, we call it part. Okay, so suppose you are in class and you are going to leave the class. So that time you will say, have a good day or have a productive day. The reply will not be like this, have a good day or have a good day to you too. You will say, same here. Repeat after me. Have a good day. Same here. Okay friends, now I am going to give you a demo that how you can start a conversation with a stranger. So for example, ma'am is a stranger for me and I will have a conversation with ma'am. So let's get started. How do you do, ma'am?
How do you do, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
This is Anjali Singh, and what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Amita. So ma'am, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. And how are you?
Fine. Do you know, ma'am, fine is an outdated word. So instead of fine, we can use different types of words. It depends on our level of happiness and our level of excitement. So if we are normal, that time we will say I am good. And if we are a little bit happy, that time we will say I am great. And if you are too much excited, too much happy, that time we will say I am fantastic. So should we do it again?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay, ma'am. So how are you?
I am fantastic, ma'am. And how are you?
I am fantastic, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So how is your life going on?
It's going good. And how is your life going on?
It's going good. Ma'am, we should not say like this, it's going good or my life is going on good. Instead of this, we should say it's good.
Okay.
Okay, so should we start it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So how is your life going on?
It's good. And how is your life going on?
It's good, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Have a productive day.
Have a productive day, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We should not say like this, have a productive day. Instead of this, we should say same here.
Okay. Same here, ma'am.
Okay, so ma'am, have a productive day.
Same here, ma'am.
So friends, now you came to know that how to have a conversation with a stranger. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have learned anything from this video, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your family members and with your friends. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.